I connected a simple splitter to this cable, and this is the result. Real HD channels, clear signal, and no expensive antenna. And the surprising part is, this actually works better than some setups people buy. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how this works, step by step, and why this simple configuration can pull in more channels than you might expect. Here's the cable we're using. Standard RG6 coaxial. Nothing special, but how we modify it makes all the difference. We start by cutting 2 segments, each exactly 30 centimeters. Precision matters here. Even a small variation can shift how the antenna interacts with broadcast frequencies. Next, we install connectors on each end. This ensures a solid connection and helps maintain signal integrity across the setup. Now this is where most people get it wrong. We measure exactly 14 centimeters from the end, and carefully remove only the outer insulation. You want to avoid damaging the shielding underneath. Then we take the braided mesh, compress it like an accordion, and slide it back over the cable. This step is key. It's what starts forming the dipole structure that will actually capture the signal. To keep everything stable, we secure the mesh in place using tape. This prevents it from moving and keeps the geometry consistent. Now we expose the inner conductor. This is the part that directly interacts with the signal, so it needs to be clean and properly positioned. At this point, we bring in the splitter. We're using one with a ferrite core. This helps stabilize the signal and reduce unwanted interference between both elements. Now we connect both cables to the splitter, making sure everything is firmly attached. And now, the moment of truth. We connect the setup to the TV and run a channel scan. Watch this. Channels start appearing. Clear image, stable signal. And this is using just a simple cable configuration. Depending on your location, positioning this near a window or adjusting the angle can significantly improve the number of channels you receive. And that's the full setup. Simple, effective, and based on real signal principles. If you want to take this even further, there are a few upgrades that can improve performance even more. Subscribe, and I'll show you the next version.